Services Central allows you to submit support requests anytime and from anywhere in less than 3 minutes. This video will show you how to submit a support request for the instruments and equipment that you have added to Services Central. When you submit an instrument support request, it goes straight to a dedicated support team who can help you with your problem. To request instrument support, click the Start a Request button in red on the top right of any screen within Services Central. There, you will see a list of request types. In the Instrument Support box, click Open a Support Ticket. Select the instrument for which you want to request support and click Continue. Provide a request subject and fill in the Additional Details section to describe the problem you are experiencing. Attach any documents that you'd like to share, such as images, Microsoft PowerPoint files, or data files that could help us quickly diagnose or identify the problem. Click Continue. Fill out the fields in the contact information form that aren't already filled and click Continue. Review your request and click Submit. Once your service request is opened, you can see the status of your ticket in your dashboard, in the Active Tickets tab of the Support Request Ticket section, in the Instruments Support tab, or in the Support Request History view. Visit thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login to get started.